Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are over here at Pocono Mountain Harley, and I want to take you in here and show you the 2025 Fat Boy. It's coming in Risky Fire Vivid Black. There's some new upgrades to that bike. They changed the engine. The engine is now a 117 engine. They changed the hand controls, the brake lever. It now has ride modes, and it also has LEDs all around. Let's go in there and take a look at that bike. Let's go. What's up guys? We are inside the store and we have the 2025 Fat Boy here in Risky Fire Vivid Black. They did some upgrades to this bike and I want to show you what they did. They changed the engine. The engine is now a 117 engine from a 114. It's pushing 104 horsepower at 126 foot-pounds of torque. They changed the grip on the bike. They changed the lever on the bike. It's now an adjustable lever. They changed the controls on the bike, so they're new controls just like what's on the Lowrider S. The front lights are only turn signals now, and the only running light you get now is the headlight. They have changed the badging on the bike now, so the badging now looks totally different. It's now more like an eagle style type of badge, I guess to reflect the Eagle of America. This bike now is coming in 4 colorways and also only in 1 trim. Unfortunately, you won't get this bike in black trim. You'll only get it in a chrome trim. So the colorways on this bike are Pillared Gray, Vivid Black, and Blue Burst. So let me head over and show you all the new changes on this bike. I'll compare this bike to the 2024 and the 2025. I'll compare both of them and show you what changed, what it looks like now on this bike compared to the other one. Let's get into it. All right guys, let's get into the changing on this bike. I'll tell you about this badging right now. They changed the badging, so the badging looks like a more Eagle style type badging. Let's show you that. The engine has been changed out to a 117 engine, like I said before, 104 horsepower at 126 foot-pounds of torque. I told you the grips were changed, a different style of type grip. The switches for the housing has been all changed up. So this is what it looks like now. And here's how they have it set up. This is your ignition switch. So you push this to turn it on and you tap it and it starts now. This is your 4-ways. This is your traction control. This is your white turn signal. This is your mode to control your different modes like sport mode, rain mode, and road mode. Over here on your left side now you have your horn, you have your left turn signal, you have your cruise control reset and set, and set control. And then you have the different modes, like this is to reset your trip meter. This is to reset. This is to start the travel mode and stuff like that on the bike. This is what this is for. The brake lever has been changed up, so it's now an adjustable lever. The key fob has been changed, so now you get more of a square style keychain. The lights in the front have been changed, so now you're getting a more sleeker tinted light. You're not getting that amberish looking light anymore. You're getting a more smoke style light, and it's all LED now. Unfortunately, you don't get daytime in the front. You're only getting turn signals. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So see, you're not getting the lights in the front anymore. You're only getting turn signals. So it's only turn signals now. You're not getting the running lights in the front anymore. Only the headlight is the running light now. A black derby cover. You're still getting the one disc brake in the front with this. This is the one Harley Davidson branded Brembo brake you're getting in the front. And the same one disc brake in the back, branded Brembo brakes. You're getting a 2-in-2 chrome exhaust. And of course, you're getting forwards with floorboards on this bike, just like the other one. So check this out, guys. Let me show you the modes on this bike. So on this bike now we have 3 modes. We have rain mode, we have road mode, and sport mode. And the mode dial button over here, will change the modes right here. So you'll get the time, you'll get the RPMs, you'll get front tire pressure monitoring at 37 psi, rear tire pressure monitoring at 32. This is your total miles, your trip A and trip B. And then you get reserve, and then you're back to the time, RPMs. On this one, we have the battery, we have the oil check, we have the neutral, we have the engine check. Can't remember what that is for. Then we have the ABS, and we have traction control over here. This bike also has traction control, cornering control. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump over to the website and we're gonna show you what other features are coming with this bike in terms of safety features. Alright guys, let's quickly go over some of the features you're getting standard on this bike. We're getting an anti-lock brake system, we're getting traction control, drag torque slip control, we're getting tire pressure monitoring, TPMS, we're getting cornering enhanced anti-lock brake system, we're getting cornering enhanced traction control system, cornering drag torque slip control system. Alright, let's head over and take a look at the price of this bike. Okay guys, so what we're looking at here is standard on standard, which is the chrome with billiard gray. This only comes in one trim, and that is a chrome trim like I had mentioned before, but it comes in 4 different colors, body colors. So the standard on standard will run you $22,599. Now, of course, once you go up to Vivid Black, it'll run you $300 extra. Black used to be free, but now they switch it up. Now you get Blue Burst will run you $650. Whiskey Fire Vivid Black is $850. So let's see if we added the Whiskey Fire with the trim chrome, it'll run you $23,449. Now it'll jump up depending on what other comfort features you add: sissy bar, bags, engine guard, hammock, comfort seat, detachable windshield you could add. Alright, so let's head back over and close out this video. We see the price $23,499 for the whiskey. Okay guys, let's go close out this video. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, as always, I appreciate you, man. I'll have more of these overviews coming. These aren't reviews, please remember that. These are overview videos, not reviews. So if you're interested in these videos at all, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you're notified, and I will see you in the next one, man. Keep your eyes on the swivel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.